In this video today I am going to show you healthy and easiest carrot paper rice recipe. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel Tongue to Tummy. For this recipe, heat 2 tablespoons oil on medium heat. Add 1 sliced onion. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes or until the raw smell of the onion goes away. I have already fried the onions for like 2 minutes. Now it has become translucent, so I will fry for a minute more until the color of the onion will turn pinkish. Now add 2 grated carrots. Saute it about 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell of the carrot disappears. After sautéing for 2 to 3 minutes, cover and let it cook for a minute or 2. After a minute, carrots are little cooked. As we have used grated carrots, it won't take much time. Give it a quick mix. Goes in 2 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon coarsely grounded black pepper, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Mix it well. You can use ready-made powdered paper, but I have preferred to add freshly crushed paper for the freshest aroma and taste. Carrot is an amazing vegetable loaded with vitamin A and beta carotene. It helps in maintaining healthy gums and teeth. Carrots are also very good for kids. Goes in 1 small capsicum cube. Saute for a minute. I am adding the capsicum at this point of time so that there remains some crunch in it when served. Cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes. After it's done, now you can get a rich aroma of carrot, crushed pepper and capsicum. Add the pre-cooked basmati rice, about 4 cups. The rice grains have to be cooked completely before you add them. Mix well. Do try this recipe at home. This is an easy recipe for lunchbox as well. Bell peppers and carrots add a nice flavor to the dish. Season with salt. Again mix very well. Since this carrot rice is mildly spiced, it goes well with the kids. You can also prepare this dish with regular leftover steamed rice. For small kids, you can skip the green chilies. You can serve this carrot paper rice with a side dish like raita or salad. The rice is looking absolutely delicious. Look at the color and the texture of the rice. It came out so well. You can make this dish as lunch or dinner when you really have very less time for cooking. If you have liked the recipe, please do try it at home and share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for all the love and support from my existing subscribers. And those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share my recipe to your loved ones. Until then, bye.